YBH5121ZYSE6 type compression garbage truck by Yaobang Environment. The car is a reloading compression type garbage truck. It is a vehicle independently developed and self-produced by a company. It is a new generation of rear-loading compression garbage truck independently designed and developed by a company, incorporating the advantages of various international similar products. It has strong loading capacity and a large loading volume, with overall performance reaching the advanced level of similar domestic products. The specific operation process of this vehicle is as follows. Start the vehicle. When the air pressure reaches above 8 bars, press the clutch and engage the power takeoff PTO. Turn on the power supply of the control box inside the cab. Press the loading mode button to raise the pneumatic cover. Place the garbage bin on the flipping frame. Operate the flipping switch on the control box to lift the bin and pour the garbage into the hopper. Lower the flipping frame to return the bin to its original position. If the amount of garbage poured in is small, you can perform a single cycle compression. If there is a large amount of garbage in the hopper, you can choose continuous cycle compression. After the garbage compression is completed, stop the cycle and cease operation. Retract the flipping frame and close the pneumatic cover. Turn off the power supply on the cab control panel. Drive to the garbage transfer station or landfill. Turn on the control panel power supply. Gently press the unloading button to raise the filler and open the hopper. Press the push plate button to eject the compressed garbage. After unloading, retract the push plate and return it to its original position. Gently press the filler lowering button to lower the hopper. Finally, turn off the power switch of the control box, disengage the PTO, and turn off the vehicle. The operation is now complete.